Hi, John here from Hephae. Our mission is to enable geothermal energy at scale. And to do that, the industry needs to drill wells which are deeper and hotter and in harder formations than the oil and gas industry ever saw. Hephae's part in that is to make sure that our equipment survives and thrives in those difficult environments. And therefore, before we even think about putting a tool down hole, we're going to subject our technology to the harshest laboratory test conditions that drilling equipment has ever seen. During the course of last year, we did a lot of oven testing of all of our printed circuit boards. We subjected them to high temperatures under full operating conditions to see where they would survive and where they would operate. And I'm pleased to tell you that everything passed. All of our boards survive at least at temperatures of 230 degrees Celsius, and they all operate successfully for extended periods at temperatures significantly higher than the 210 degrees Celsius operating temperature that we've set ourselves for our first product, Pandora 210. Then we take the boards and we put them in a vibration chamber. Here, we're taking a board or an assembly and we're subjecting it simultaneously to high levels of vibration and very high temperatures. Typically in the oil and gas industry, boards are tested to about 20 G of continuous vibration. But we're designing these tools for geothermal wells. They're going to be deeper, they're going to be in harder formations, there's going to be more friction, there's going to be more vibration. So we're not testing at 20 G, we're testing at 30 G. We're testing 50% higher than typically oil and gas tools would have been tested. And we're testing at 230 degrees Celsius, which is very, very high compared with the typical temperatures that oil and gas tools are rated to. Shock is where we subject the unit under test, the board or the assembly, to very high levels of acceleration. So we take the board in its assembly, we lift it up and we drop it. Bang! And then we lift it up, bang, we drop it again, and again, and again, many times. And the great news is, all the boards we've tested so far like this, through this punishing regime, they've all passed. No problems at all. Successfully concluding these tests gives us the confidence that we will work first time when we go into a real-world drilling environment. It's not sci-fi, but it is rocket science.